You are going to love the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, engine hour meter. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.